Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today we're going to look at how to add someone to your restricted list on Facebook. So to start with, open up your Facebook profile. In the top right hand corner, click on your profile picture. From there, scroll down to settings and privacy and then click on settings. So from there, this page will open up. So you should see blocking right away. But if you don't, you can click in the search settings tab and type in blocking and it will come up. So when you found it, you're going to click on there and you will see your restricted list. So you can click on edit. And from there, you can add to your restricted list. So when someone's on your restricted list, they won't see the post on Facebook that you only share to friends. So they may still see things that you share publicly. So to add to your restricted list, you're going to click on that. And a lot of your contacts should come up. If you can see them there, you can click add to the restricted list, or you can type their name and it will come up so you can add them. Hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.